I think I'm gonna start recording these videos because it's getting really lonely in China and I want to sort of share my experience with somebody. I don't know. I got like 6 more months, maybe even longer in China. It's one of the biggest struggles I've experienced in China is finding a community. Um, and I've been here 2 years. It's about 823 days, I think. Um, Not that I'm counting or anything. But anyways, so yeah, that's a struggle. But so this is my place. I have a bunch of things on the wall, like visa stuff, people to call, some notes for myself, some jokes from friends, a riddle I can't seem to figure out if anyone knows the answer. Here's a picture. Some to-do list. This is a big wall. Turn your camera. I have that has been slowly built on with friends writing on it. Yes, that is a penis. Yeah, I feel a little sad taking it down or leaving it behind. It is what it is. You gotta move on. One of the first big things I put on the wall to like sort of personalize this place. My friend Jones, he gave me this when I left for China, and every once in a while I'll change it. But I think this quote is the best quote I have to explain China. For the reason why I came here, for a lot of things that happened here, and then I felt like, all right, just start over. Even now I feel like just start over. It's a lot of what life is, I think, maybe. I don't know. You do something, it doesn't work out, and you continue. You start every day brand new. You have a situation in the middle of the day, and it doesn't turn out. You just start over with either a new plan or a reset mindset. Yeah, I think that's why I left that there for so long. You just start over. I don't really know what to show you. Place that means sunny, I believe. Yangguang. I've already cleaned some things out, so not much is here. I've never been able to open this since I came in. There's nothing really in there. It looks like, oh, there looks like there is some toothpaste. Oh, okay. Well, socks and underwear, some miscellaneous tools and stuff. I popped open this thing so I can get access to the lights. Nothing really here, to be honest, anymore. I have a sink on the outside. Let's just go outside, I guess. So I share my balcony. There's the laundry. Here's the view. Playing ping pong. I'm not much of a sentimental person, but actually no, I lied. I am. I'm very sentimental. Yeah, it's very dirty now, and like I don't know what else to show you. Things I learned how to cook. I don't really have a kitchen. We went over this. So like I made do. You can see this is like my splash wall. Oh my god. You can see like a line. Can you see that? Splash wall. It's not so bad, surprisingly. Protein shakes I never drank. This door handle broke. So then I had to like put a cast on it essentially. Like a couple chopsticks. This is the second iteration of this cast. A lot better. And here's my washroom. There's a toilet. You know this toilet. There's a lot of stories about you. Yeah. I cut my own hair here. I think we have some videos of that. Did my dance. 洗澡 I think. 镜子 mirror. Yeah, that's my place. But to be honest, yeah, it's being in China is pretty lonely. It's an experience all on its own. Even though you have like this small foreigner community, it's really small. But nothing wrong with that fact that it's small. I feel like there's a pro to that because you all just you sort of just all know each other. One community knows the other one, and then that's the nice part about that. But if you're not really much of a drinker like me, or like a clubber, or you don't do your own thing like archery or dance, you just sort of stay home and play video games. And even if you don't play video games like me, because I don't have a consistent Wi-Fi connection, it's hard to make a community, to have your own group of people you can depend on. So it's difficult. I'm surprised I've been not okay, but I've been here for this long. I think that's why I like work so much, because that's my community. And now that I'm on vacation, I've been struggling a lot. So I'm excited to go back. But I'm also sad that I'm going back because I don't like. Let's not get into that. That's for a different conversation. I'm excited to go back to see my friends, to see the people I love hanging out with, to talk to people, because I need that. Oh my God, I'm going crazy. Yes, I have Christina, my girlfriend. But I don't really have something to look forward to. No offense to her or anything. Like, she's great. It's just I need different sources of light. She gives me a light that no one else can give me. But there's other lights I need to lighten my life. Just like how I can light up some other people's lives, but they need some light from other people, like their friends or family or church or their dog, cat, whatever their light need they may be. So yeah, this is my place. I am excited to go back to work. I want to start making more videos because I want to start making a community for myself and share my experience here. So please ask me questions, help me get off my feet. Maybe I hope I can give you guys feedback, make something entertaining, and I don't know, enjoy. Bye. I moved in, I didn't get this key. I can now see there's some things inside. Yeah, I haven't ever looked at this before. I've been here for like a minute. Remember I tried to unlock it, I tried to shimmy it open, I tried to... Oh, it sounds like it's gonna break. No way it was that easy. Okay. A girl used to live here. Well, I'm assuming a girl, because there's a bunch of makeup stuff. Okay, cool. Well, that's it, guys. If you guys know this brand, cool.
sul sohuasu. 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 Yeah, nothing really cool. I was hoping to see some money. Okay, anyways. Guys, comment. I hope I give you guys some value, or I don't know, but ask me questions. I want to keep making some more videos. Let's get them going. All right, bye.